All right, so exporting items that you've created in an Asset Planet Pro Trading Tools program. There are several things that can be exported. One is groups, and another is trades. So in one of your programs, especially models or cash balance programs, you might have an opportunity to export to Schwab. If you use our folder structure that came included with every new user's license, here's what those folder structures look like in your test samples. Export to Schwab, we don't want to show the trade files right now. Some of it's proprietary. But if you create a group here, this is where you're going to export to. There's an import side on Schwab. Right now we're just covering the export. The other thing that you're going to export to Schwab would be a trade log. We name ours per year, and ours goes back 10 years. Again, some of the information is proprietary. We're not going to show you the file format right now. But when you go to upload your allocation for a bulk order that's under your master number, or in individual allocations, they'll be coded in such a way that they'll match up to if it's a bulk order individual allocations. Currently, the upload is for buys and sells at market price. If you need to adjust any of the final pricing, you'll have to do so on the Schwab trade order system. Future versions hopefully will include multiple interfaces for trade execution.